Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will share you how to find your Facebook profile link. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. All you have to do is go to your Facebook application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in your Facebook, click the three line on the upper right side on your screen and click the see your profile. Okay guys, here in your profile, click the three dot on the left side. Okay guys, you can see your Facebook profile link. Okay guys, to share this to your social media, so all you have to do is click the copy link button. Okay guys, link to profile copied. So okay guys, for my example, I will share my profile link to Messenger. Okay guys, for my example, I shared my link to one of my friend on Messenger. So okay, all you have to do is paste the link here in message on your Messenger and send it to your friend. So okay guys, your Facebook profile link are shared to your friend via Messenger. So okay guys, that's it, and if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.